Everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp settings in your device Oneplus 9rt. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device Oneplus 9rt you want to do the setting of dual WhatsApp, or if you want to install the dual WhatsApp, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps in this video and learn about the dual WhatsApp settings in your device Oneplus 9rt. Let's watch it.